In today's video, we are gonna do a huge Diwali special Ajio haul. So yes, here are the packages. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First, let's start with the skirts. I got this black and white skirt. I love this. I'm holding it on. I love this. The quality is great. And the name is check skirt with insert pockets. It's for 380 rupees. I got it in the size 26 and it fits me perfectly. I love this. I think I saw like this kind of skirt in Shein and it was like 700-800 rupees and I've never shopped from Shein. I thought the prices were like really overpriced. So yeah, my go-to website was Club Factory and now it's Ajio. They are so great, they have like stepped up their game and the prices are reasonable. The quality is great. What more can you want from like a shopping website? So yeah. Also, I would like to say something. This is all my personal opinion and review. This video is not sponsored, obviously. I just like Ajio and this is all my personal opinion. So yeah, let's move on to the video. The next one is this black denim skirt and the name is Bead Embellished A-line skirt. It's for 405 rupees and yeah, the quality of the zipper is good and yeah, the quality of the skirt is also good. And you know, one more thing is that these beads, they are actually embellished. They are not like pasted. Okay. Now the problem with this skirt is that I ordered 26 size and it is not 26. Yeah, it's written here that it's 26 but it's not. It's like really loose on me and I like my skirts tight and fitted. So yeah, that's an disadvantage. The next product is this reusable bag. This is for 39 rupees and the name is Typographic Print Tote Bag and I think it's according to the price. The quality is not that good. It's actually TikTok. Yeah. Now let's start with the kurtis. The first one is this cute red one. This is for my mother. It's this fit and flare tunic with bell sleeves. It's really comfortable and I love the color. It's like ditto how they showed in the website. And there's like a little tassel here which is also so cute. And the work is also really delicate and cool. My mom loves this and I also love it. The next one is this blush pink kurti. It's really soft and comfortable. Its name is Printed Straight Kurta with high-low hemline. It's for 250 rupees in the size medium. It fits my mom perfectly and yeah, it's like totally what I expected it to be. The next one is this one. It's leaf print straight tunic with bell sleeves. It's like a really casual kurti and I think my whole family is obsessed with bell sleeves. Most of our things are bell sleeves and it's for 210 rupees and it's also in the size medium.
I also got this high waist jeans for only 350 rupees. It's pretty comfortable and I love the color. It's for my Didi and it's in the size 26.
I think the joggers collection in Ajio is pretty decent. First we have this maroon one. It's 100% cotton. The name is cropped joggers with slip pockets. It's for 294 rupees. It's in the size small. No, sorry, it's actually medium. Yeah. The last item is also a jogger. This is a pink one. It's for rupees 305 and yeah, it's pretty comfortable. It's in the size small and it fits me perfectly. Like not perfectly but still okay. Yeah, it's also 100% cotton. So I love this. It's really comfortable. You can also wear this in makeup. Guys, I hope you will like this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Bob Dawson. Bye. Love. Happy Diwali.